This video is provided by Coaching Online iit-jee and delivered by Praveen Kumar Pandey. This is free tutorial videos which helps iit-jee and medical entrance exam aspirant in secure a rank. In all the lecture series we will solve previous year's question of iit-jee and medical entrance exam. We will solve physics, chemistry and mathematics question and explain all the fact related to problems in great depth, and an cutting-edge analysis is provided. Our team upload one video per day. So to get daily update, subscribe our channel. Special thank you to my dad Shri Amrendra Kumar Pandey, G, and my mom Shri Mt Neelam Pandey, G. I dedicate this videos to my younger sister Miss Pratima Pandey. Thank you for tolerating me during making the videos. Without you this is not possible. Thank you.
Welcome to free online coaching. This is Praveen Kumar Pandey, your online tutor, and in previous lectures of Newton's law for class 11th student, we had seen how we can find the motion and acceleration, normal reaction between the directly connected bodies. And in today's lecture I will also see some more example on these things. Okay, the first is, this is a very just modified form, this is not a new question. Okay, so for to whom, this is a 1 kg block. Let me suppose this is a 1 kg block and this is a 2 kg block, and let me suppose this is again 1 kg block. Okay, let me give its name A, B, this is C. Here a 4 Newton force is applied. Okay, a 4 Newton force is applied. So first question, find force on 1 by force on A by 2, force on A by B. Okay, force on A by B. Second, find force on C by B. Okay, third question, find acceleration of, okay, it is not fine. Okay, so that, third question, so that acceleration of A, B and C should be equal, and fourth question is find their acceleration, Okay, so okay, look all the questions. So first question is find force on A by B. Second question is find force on C by B, and the third question is so that acceleration of A, B, C should be equal, and fourth is find the acceleration. Okay, so we have to solve that third question first, so that we could easily calculate what should be the norm forces on A by B and force on C by B and the acceleration. We have to analyze this question first. Okay, so let me write down the equation, let me write down the free body diagram, etc., and we will find all the questions. Okay, just I am erasing all these things. Okay, these are the very simple question, it is just for practice. Okay, such question will not come in iit-jee examination, but it will help you, okay, in understanding the concept. So these are the concept boosting questions. Okay. So okay, let me let me analyze this all the three blocks which is connected. Okay, guys, listen. This is my block A. Okay, this is my block A, and from it is connected a block B. From this it has connected by a block B. It has, okay, and this is connected by block C. Okay, this is it. Let me suppose this portion of block has moved by element X. Okay, so this, due to geometry, this portion will also move by element X. Okay, this portion also, this portion of A will also move by element X. Okay, and due to geometry, this portion, this side of B will also move by element X and reach here. Okay, again, and this will move by element X and reach here. Okay, so this length, so if this move X, this side of A will also move by X. Okay, and this side of B also move by X because these are touching to each other. Okay, and this will also move by X, and this side of C is also is here, and this portion will also move by X. Okay, so if this movement will X, this side has moved X, this side of A will move X, this side of B also move by X, this side of B will move by X. Okay, this will be X, and side C will be here. Okay, this will be, so it look very funny to do this question in this manner, but it is necessary, guys. It is necessary to analyze how this motion of this connected body is taking place. Okay, in every question, body is connected to each other by some things. Okay, here it is directly connected. In some question they are connected by string. In some question they are connected by they are connected either by spring. Okay, so it is simple because it is connected, it is actually connected. When these things are connected by string and spring, it will become complicated. Okay, and very complicated geometry is possible. Okay, so just do it in this manner. Okay, so to practice it. Okay, so here all the box A, box B and box C will move in same amount. Okay, why? Because these things are connected. Motion does not cause, motion of this particle will not cause the change in length of this plane. Okay, so this length, all these things are connected. So due to it, if this move X, this will move X, this will move X, this will move X. Okay, because these bodies are rigid, inelastic. Okay, these things are inelastic, rigid body. Okay, what the term I had used? Inelastic. Okay, bodies are inelastic. Okay, so change in length is due to forces will be very it will not change it. Okay, there will not any changes. So okay guys, so A has moved X, B has moved X, C has moved X. Okay, so what is the acceleration? The acceleration of A will be dt2. This is the acceleration of A. Okay, and again this will be dt2, this will be acceleration of B, and d2x dt2, this should be the acceleration of C. Okay, if you had a study about motion in one dimension, motion chapter, very okay, then it is very easy to understand what it is. Okay, so acceleration of A should be equal to acceleration of B, should be equal to acceleration of A. So acceleration of A should be equal to acceleration of B, this should be equal to acceleration of C. Okay, all these things should be equal to acceleration of A, should be equal to acceleration of B, should be equal to acceleration of C. Okay, so all acceleration of all particle, all the block A, B and C is equal. Okay, now I'm going to write down. Okay, here we had analyzed the relation of acceleration separately. we had analyzed the relation of acceleration separately. Now, okay, we have analyzed the acceleration relation of acceleration between the blocks separately. Now we are going to analyze the forces. Okay, so this is, now we are going to analyze forces. Okay, guys, this is a simple question. In your book, your teacher should had tell us so many methods to solve you. Okay, I am not interested in delivering a method for every question. Okay, a new method for every question. What I want that you should develop your own method, your own skill. Okay, these things are basics, and if you and these are the just basic. Okay, and these things are for understanding, fundamental understanding of the things. Okay, so I first thing I had done, I had tried to find out relation between acceleration separately. Okay, now what I do right now, I will try to find out the forces. Okay, forces. So let me draw the free body diagram of this block A. Okay, let me draw the free body diagram of this guy A. Okay, listen guys, this is A. Okay, it has mass, it is in gravitational field, so there is a force mg which is downward, and here is the normal reaction by the ground. Let me give its name N1. Okay, N1. Again, here is a force of 4 Newton. Here is a force of 4 Newton. Okay, and listen, look carefully here. Here is contact between 1 kg and 2 kg block. Here is the contact between 1 kg and 2 kg block. Okay, there is contact between 1 kg and 2 kg block. So there be a force. There should be a force. Let me give it name N naught. Okay, N naught. Let me give it name N naught. Okay, NAB. Let me write down NAB. Let me give it now name NAB. Okay. This is the free body diagram of 4. This is the whole free body diagram for A. Now I am going to draw free body diagram of B. Okay, this is B. Here B, and there is a force downward, X force due to gravity. This is the 2 kg, so 2g. Okay, this m is 1. Okay, this should be 1g. This is the 2g. This should be 2g. And here guys, listen here, there is the contact between A and B. So here there will be a normal, there will be contact force. This is normal reaction, and this should be NAB by Newton third law. This should be NAB by Newton third law. Okay, analyze it by yourself. Newton third law. Analyze it by yourself. Analyze this by yourself. Okay, you should analyze this. Why this should add how Newton third law is playing a big role in this. Okay, you should analyze it by yourself. Okay, so this is the 2g, and here again there is a force. There is a contact between ground and 2 kg block. There is a contact between ground and 2 kg block. So here there should be a normal reaction. Let me write down N2. Okay, again look here, there is a contact between B and C. Here there is a contact, so again normal force come into the picture. So a normal force will come into the picture, and it will be in this direction. Okay, who has applied this force? C. Who has applied this force? Block C has applied. Who has applied this force? Block C has applied. So should I write NBC? Should I write NBC? Because C has applied on B. Okay guys, so this is the complete free diagram of block B. Now I am going to write down the free body diagram of block A, block C. Free body diagram of block C. This is the 1 kg block. This is the 1g. Here is the normal reaction. Okay, let me write down N3, and again here see carefully. Here is a normal reaction. This force is applied by NBC. Okay, NBC. Again here should be here should be again a force by normal reaction. It is incorrect because here there is no contact here. there is no contact here, there is no contact, so here will be no force. Okay guys, so the first thing is I had tried to find out acceleration relation. Now I had done draw the free body diagram. I had draw the free body diagram. Okay, I had draw the free body diagram. Now I am going to write down the equation with the help of these two things and Newton's law. Okay, guys, listen, this guy is not going to leave this surface. Okay, it is not going to fly upward. This 1 kg block is not going to fly upward. Okay, it will be on the surface, on the ground. Okay, so the net force vertical direction should be 0. Okay, net force in vertical direction should be 0. So I should write n1 minus 1g should be equal to 0. Okay, in similar way you should write n2 minus 2g should be 0. Let me write down n2 minus 2g should be equal to 0. Why it should be 0? Because there is no acceleration in vertical direction. Okay, b is not flying in the sky. Okay, here again, here for this I should write n3 minus 1g should be equal to 0. Okay, n3 minus 1g should be equal to 0. Okay. Now guys, this it will move in this manner. If I had applied force in this direction, it will move in this manner. Okay, and it is seen clearly, so I will take this direction as a positive because acceleration will be in this direction. This direction as a positive because acceleration will be this direction. Okay, so let me write down 4, which is a positive direction, minus this is the NB, which is negative, minus NAB. This should be equal to 1 into acceleration of A1. Okay, acceleration of A. Okay guys, now again I should write down for now I am going to write down the acceleration here for here again, and AB minus and BC. Look here, NAB, this is the positive and this is the negative, so I write NAB positive, this is negative. This should be equal to 2AB, acceleration of B. Okay, and again here this is again I should come here. Okay, this is the NAB, and this is the only one force which is in positive direction, so NBC. NBC should be equal to 1 into acceleration of C. Now guys, what I had find by my acceleration relationship is acceleration of C is equal to acceleration of A is equal to acceleration of B. Okay, acceleration of C is equal to acceleration of B is equal to acceleration of A. So all these three are equal. Okay guys, if you add all the three equation, you will find that NAB and BC all will be cancelled out. Okay, so I'm going to write down. I'm going to add what I get. Add it by yourself. What I get, 4 is equal to 1A1 plus 2AB plus 2AC. Since A is equal to B is equal to C, what I get, 4AA is equal to 4. So acceleration of A is equal to 1 meter per second square. Okay guys, and acceleration of B is equal to 1 meter per second square, and acceleration of C is equal to 1 meter per second square. Okay guys, so we had find the acceleration. Okay, now we are going to find normal reaction, etc. Okay, I am going to find normal reaction, etc. So look, this is my free body diagram for block A, which is 1 kg. This is 4 Newton, and this is NAB. So what should be this value? 4 minus NAB. This is equal to 1 into 1. Okay, because acceleration is 1 meter per second. Because we had calculated. So 4 minus 1, this should be equal to NAB. Okay, so 3 Newton is equal to NAB. And this is the force which is applied by, this is the force which applied by B. Which applied, which, who apply this force, this is your entertainment box. This is your entertainment box. Okay, entertain with this question, who has applied this force. Okay, so 3 Newton is equal to NAB. Now we should again, this is for two block B which is mass 2 kg, and again here this is the 3 Newton, and here there is another force, this is the NBC, and what I get, N3 minus NBC, this should be equal to 2 into 1, so 3 minus 2, this should be equal to NBC. So 1 Newton is equal to NBC. 1 Newton is equal to NBC. So what, okay, who had applied this force, who had applied this force, who had applied this force? This is again your entertainment box. Okay, so try to solve all the questions. Okay guys, now again I am going to give you another example in which you will see these are the very general questions, and okay, so we will try to understand all these things. Okay, this is a wedge, this is a wedge, this is a wedge, and it is connected, this is a wedge and this wedge is connected, and let me suppose this is okay, this mass is 1 kg. Okay, let me give it, this mass is 4 kg, this mass is 4 kg, and this angle theta is such that sin theta, okay, let me write down 5, sin theta is equal to 4 by 5. Sin theta is equal to 4 by 5. Sin theta is equal to 4 by 5. Okay. So, this is the only one block. Okay. This is the only one block. And this is a wedge. It is a wedge. It is a wedge. Okay. This is fixed. Again, if this wedge start moving, then it creates another problem. Okay. This wedge is fixed. So, thanks to the God, this wedge is fixed, otherwise it become a very difficult question. Okay, this wedge is fixed. So guys, we have to find what should be the acceleration of this block. Okay, what should be the acceleration of this block? Okay, yeah, good thing is it has only one, it has only one block. So I can escape first step. To find first step, escape cursor, I can escape it. Okay, I can escape my first step because there is only one bodies, and so I have to not find a relation between the accelerations of different bodies. Okay, and this is a fixed, so I can escape. Okay, so what should I do here? I should analyze the direction of motion. What should I do here? I should analyze the direction of motion. Okay guys, listen, if this is a wedge which has this incline, this is the inclined surface, so this block will not fly in this manner. Okay, it not start jump and go and move in this manner. This is not path of motion. This is not path of motion. This is not path of motion. Okay, this is not path of motion. Okay, the motion will not take place along this path. What is the path of motion? Path of motion should be in this manner. Okay, because this block is not flying in air. Okay, this block is not start start jumping and reach on the ground. It will slide. It will slide in this along this direction. Okay. Okay. It will slide along this direction. So this is the direction of motion. This is the direction of motion. Okay, let me erase all unnecessary. So guys, what is the best way to solve the question? If you find what should be the direction of motion, then you should take that axis as a your axis. That direction is as your axis. Okay. So if I had take this direction as my axis, x-axis, and perpendicular to it, I had taken y-axis. Okay, perpendicular to it, I had taken my y-axis. So this is my mg. This is my mg. Okay, guys, and this angle is theta. So in this angle will be 90 degrees. This angle will be 90 minus theta. So what should be this angle? 9 theta. This angle should be theta. Okay. Okay. Let me should not be. I should not do it here. Okay. This is a surface. On this there is a block. I am going to draw the free diagram. Okay. Listen. Mg will be vertically along this. Okay, vertical. Mg, and this is okay. This angle will be theta, and again, and this. Since here is the contact between this block and wedge, here there is a contact between block and wedge, so this wedge will apply a force which is normal to this surface. Okay, the force applied by wedge on the block will be normal to the surface. The force applied by wedge on the block will be normal to the surface. Okay, so in this direction, there is a force by wedge on the block. There is a force by wedge on the block which is perpendicular to this. This angle will be 90 degrees. Okay, so what is my direction of motion? My x-axis. This is my x-axis, and this is the direction of motion. Direction of motion will take place in this along this direction, and this is my y-axis. This is my x-axis. This is my y-axis. Here is the normal force. This is the n. This is the n1. Okay, I should take component of mg along this. This will become mg cos theta. Okay, you should feel comfortable on all these things. This will become mg cos theta, and this will become mg sin theta. Okay, you will feel comfortable when you are expert in vector analysis. Okay, if you do your vector classes very sincerely, then you are able to understand all these things. Otherwise it will be slightly difficult. Okay, so mg sin theta. Okay, there is a force. The force, the component of this force along this axis is mg sin theta. Why we had take this axis? Because the motion is in this direction. Okay, motion is in this direction. Okay, mg sin theta. This is the mg sin theta. So mg sin theta, this should be equal to ma. Okay, because Newton's second law. So a is cancelled. What is the a? G sin theta. What is the a? G sin theta. Okay, guys, so so in next lecture we will solve some more questions related on all these things, this system. Okay, okay, so this is enough for today's lecture. Solve a lot of questions and subscribe our channel. If you think it is beneficial for you, then subscribe and like us, and share it to your friend on your Facebook, email, WhatsApp account. Okay, thanks a lot for watching this video.
Hey buddy, hope you understand whatever I am explaining to you. So work hard and enjoy the life. If you want to see me tomorrow, then subscribe my channel, because viewers like you support and motivate us to make videos. Please share this by clicking on the share button on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and other social networking sites, so that a needy one get benefit and spread about it among your friends. My dear students, an important message for all of you. We are trying to take an online exam, which will be totally free for trial period, means till July 2017. If you are interested in it, then you can register by sending an email or a message on WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is 700-771-9110, or by giving this call on 7755896 We will give more detail about it in our forthcoming videos. Thank you so much.